Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Fee and this is the Tea Lounge podcast. Have you ever gone camel riding or are you thinking of going? Camel rides are one of the top listed tourist attractions throughout the world. These even-toed animals are domesticated for their byproducts such as milk, meat and textile. Additionally, they provide a vital means of transport for passengers and cargo. While doing rounds on social media, you will likely stumble upon funny camel memes and videos. There have been situations where this beast of burden has thrown people off its back. Funny, huh? I can almost see that naughty grin on your face. But have you ever stopped and wondered why this is the case? Well, I recently traveled to Nyali Beach in Mombasa and a new friend unraveled the mystery. Turns out there are 3 reasons why a camel will throw you off its back. The first one, that is a bit obvious, is when it cannot bear your weight. If you happen to be weighing more than the camel can carry, then be rest assured it will throw you off its back. Secondly, camels are clean animals. Their use traces back to religious books such as the Bible and Quran. As such, the animal doesn't like dirty people riding on its back. So the next time you think of hopping on a camel's back, make sure you're squeaky clean. Lastly, if you're on your cycle, camel rides are a no-no. The animal might throw you off its back or attack its owner or the guide. What I came to learn is that the camel owners or guide know these rules, but sometimes they force the animal since they want to make money. There you have it. If you didn't know, now you know. Happy riding. Until next time, stay safe. Oh, and kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel. Cheers!